Narada also remained there for a long time by the grace of God. Then, knowing that his penance was complete, he left there. Narada, enchanted by the illusion of Shiva, became foolish and arrogant, knowing that Manmata was defeated because of his own glory. O sage, thanks to Shiva's Maya, even Vishnu, Brahma, etc. cannot understand its nature. The great sage Narada, seduced by that illusion, set out in a frenzy for Kailash, eager to tell his story. Narada, proud that he was a great soul and that Manmata had been defeated and fled by his influence, bowed down to Shiva and told him everything. Hearing this, Shankara said, Narada, who being bewitched by his own illusion was talking foolishly. Narada, you are a blessed one. Listen to me. Don't say this anywhere, especially not in front of Vishnu. Even if he asks, don't tell him this news of yours. I earnestly tell you that you are the one I need the most. You are a devotee of Vishnu. A devotee of Vishnu is a person of special love to me. Shiva, the creator and Lord, gave this advice in many ways. What happened? Narada, who was enchanted by Shiva, did not find this beneficial. Those who know this karma should know that it is powerful. No one can tell about that will of Shiva. Then the sage went to Brahmaloka. There he bowed down to Brahma and narrated the story of how he had conquered Manmata through his penance. Then Brahma, hearing this, remembered the lotus feet of Shiva, understood the whole reason and stopped his son. Even that foremost of sages, Narada, caught in the trap of Shiva's illusion and with a mind filled with arrogance, did not consider Brahma's words as beneficial. Whatever Shiva's will is, that is what will happen in the world. The entire world is subject to it and stands on its word. Then the foolish Narada, intoxicated with pride, hurried to Vaikunta to tell his story before Vishnu. Knowing all this beforehand with the eye of knowledge, Sriman Narayana, seeing the sage Narada coming towards him, immediately stood up, embraced him, made Narada sit on his own seat, remembering the feet of Shiva, spoke truthful words that destroyed ego. Father, Narada, where did you come from? Why did you come? Are you a sage? You are blessed. I have become pure because you have shown me mercy here. Hearing these words of Vishnu, the proud sage Narada became proud and told his entire story. Hearing the words of that arrogant Narada, Vishnu remembered the footsteps of Shiva in his heart and understood the reason for the incident. Shiva Purana will be continued in the next episode. If you like this video, please type Om Namah Shivaya in the comment section, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.